So in this part, we'll be creating parts. So these are pieces needed to come up with the whole furniture. So these are bits and pieces or details for assembly. So for those who will be uploading images, you can or sketches, you can do this, and then if this image is like this, oriented in a different way, you can rotate it, select the object, and then find the center point, and then you can actually uh, adjust the angle. So that's how you do it, and then done. And then you can move. So move, I'll just move this. You can use the base point, then move it to the center of your drawing, then done. Okay, so for example that I want to um, make this a form, I'll just maybe trace over it. Okay, let's just, I'll just copy. So let's make this into 81. Okay, 81. And then so with this one you have to make piece by piece. So this is the top, tabletop. Okay, so I'll extrude this so you can check the thickness of 2.90. So I'll just put 2.90. Okay, so I'll rename this. I'll save this and I'll rename it to tabletop. Okay, this is basic modeling that you can do. So tabletop. All right, and then I'll create another part. So create. So I'll start our 2D sketch. Okay, so we have this workspace again. So maybe I'll start with, since this is a leg, so maybe I'll start the 2D from horizontal or your XY plane. So, okay, so I'll use that plane. And then I'll upload again the image. So I'll use this image. Then two. All right, so I'll just finish. Okay, so I'll zoom out. All right, so I can scale, use this as reference, and then I can start my sketch. So I'll just use that for reference. Okay, so pan to move space, so you can move that. Okay, so since this is the leg, I'll draw this. So this is 2 by 7. Okay, you have to check the height. So this is 67.50. Okay, so I'll draw here under your, let's start at the base point. So I'll draw a rectangle form with, let's see, what's the depth? Hmm, So you have, let's say, 10 by 67.50. Okay, so that would be your leg. So since I defined that already, so maybe we can come up with the details. Okay, so maybe I'll start with a more simpler form or simple design. Okay, so okay, all right, and then oh, zoom out. Okay, so let's do with the very most simple form. I'll make this into a, ilagay ito. We can make this to 7 mm. Okay, and then I'll make a sketch on top. So I'll just make details for the table legs. Okay. So this would be my view already. So let's say um, I'll make uh, maybe I'll just use the 3D model for the design. So I want, let's say I want to chamfer the edges. Okay, let's have this at 2 mm. So chamfer, you can actually chamfer multiple edges. Okay, I'll just move to the other side. So something like that. Okay, and then you apply. So samok naman ni siya, so I'll go to the sketch. Let's say this view, and I'll just select and delete. Okay, I deleted the image. It took a while. Okay, so you have the leg already. So if I'm planning to design or to create a more intricate leg, let's say I'm planning to have um, um let's say a two, let's say a 4 by 2 measurement for the leg. So I'll do the same for the other side. So as you can see, you can there are direct association with regards to alignment. So I'll make this to a 4, and then you press tab, and then you press 2. So with this, I'll finish my sketch. So you have this form you can extrude to create. So as you can see, whenever it lights up, it selects. So uh, you change the direction. So what's the measurement we had was 67. Hey, so 67.5. So you have that already. Okay. So as you can see, mawala na siya. So that's why you have to take um, one at a time, or you have to design it one at a time. So unless you're trying to make a mirror image, you can actually do that. Katong imo siyang mo-draw ka from one side, na imo siyang i-mirror. But sige, I'll just show you na lang this other one. Okay. So with this, I'll make another measurement. So, I sorry. Okay. I'll start 2D and then make a rectangle. All right. So I'll create an associative line. So enter. Okay. Okay. And then you finish your sketch and then you extrude. So the same with the other side. So change the direction and then 67.5. Okay. So zoom that in. So let's say this would be your chair. Okay, I'll just save this. Table leg day, sorry. So I'll save this to table leg. Table leg. Okay. All right. So let's just play around with regards to assembly. So with assembly, let's say I'll make a new assembly. A standard IAM. So you create that. So I'll be placing all the modules or the units. So I'll just open my files, Inventor. Okay, so you have your table top and your table leg. So let's say I'll place the table top, then I'll change the view. Okay. All right. I'll just orbit this na lang. Orbit. Front view. Okay, there you go. Sorry. Alright, better. So I'll also place in the table leg. So I open. So whenever you place here, you can actually place multiple points. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you have 4 table legs. All right. So, or you can, let's say, I'll make let's say I'll take a bottom view. So I'll just switch this. Then then bottom. Okay. So this is your bottom view. So I'll um create a pattern. So I'll input the table leg, and then click open, and then I'll place it here, and then maybe I'll create a pattern. So I'll make a I'll make a point. So I'll make okay. Thank you all for listening, and I appreciate your time. Have a great day.